Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again. My name is Kenneth, and I'm the one who's going to take you through this tutorial, through this lesson, this whole lesson. I'm the one taking you through. And today we are going to talk about networking. We are starting our networking series today. It's something that you are going to love a lot. Networking is something that I love to do always. I love to learn networking. No, it's good, so you love it. As I said, my name is Kenneth, and you can see that is my name, Kenneth Hack. You can find me on Facebook, Kenneth Hack, and you can also subscribe to our channel on YouTube, that is Brainsoft GH on YouTube. You can also you can like our page on Facebook, that is Brainsoft. You can also contact us through Gmail, that is brainsoftgh@gmail.com. You can write to us, and you can contact us, or you can reach us on Twitter at brainsoft at Ken Hack. The Ken Hack is KENN_hack. That is the hack here. That is so. Today we don't want to waste my time. It's our first video, so we are going to do some simple and short introduction to the video, to the tutorial. Then we move on to the next video. That will be our next section. So let us move on to it. What do we have in this course? Someone will tell you, I want to learn networking, I want to do this, I want to do that. What do we have in this course? There's something you need to know. Let me tell you, in this course, what we are going to do, you are going to talk about the course objectives. That's the first thing we are going to talk about, and we will then move on to the certifications. This course is built on Microsoft certification exam. That is the N0. I'm just trying to figure it out, but it's not in my head. A lot of things in my head. That's N10005 and N10006. That is actually the certificate. That's the certification or the exams code. And we are going to talk about the course requirement here. The course requirement is something which is very important. We will talk about that one, and we are going to talk about the course topics. But before we start with the course objectives, the certifications, and the course requirement, actually for the certification I did mention it, so we are not going to touch on it. And for the course objectives, you are going to touch on it. You are going to touch on the course requirement, things that you need so that it can help you to carry on with this course, carry on with this tutorial. It's very important. You can't learn something without having the equipment to learn it. It's very important. So without wasting my time, let us go straight to the fourth one, which is the course topics. Now, content at a glance, what we have in this section, what we are going to learn in this tutorial. We have it in chapters. That is what I decided to do it. I built this tutorial based on Microsoft requirements and stars. So Microsoft, when you pick any Microsoft book, they are built in chapters. We have the chapter 1, then we have sub contents under the chapter 1. So that's how we build our content. We build our content based on Microsoft. And don't forget that with this video, when we are done with this video, we are going to go straight to CCNA, that is Cisco. So we are going to build that content on Cisco. That is how we do it here on our show. That's how we do it at Brainsoft. So now let's start with the first chapter. The first chapter, we're going to talk about the networking basics. So under networking basics, we have a lot of topics to talk about. The next chapter is going to be the physical layer. We talk about the physical layer, which is part of the OSI layer. We will then talk about the network devices. That is where we are going to talk about like the switches, the routers, a whole lot, the detection prevention systems, and all kind of devices. No, I can't mention all of them. The modems, all these devices, we will talk about them. Then we talk about the data link layer and its devices. We will talk about the wireless networking. We will talk about the network layer. We will talk about routing and switching. Cisco is more of routing and switching thing. that is Cisco for you. So we will talk about routing and switching. This place is very, very, very important. You need to take note of it. That routing and switching is key. We will talk about a transport layer. We will talk about application layer. Then wide area network, that is one. Then we will talk about network security. We will talk about network management. We will talk about network troubleshooting. Then we are done for the whole thing. We are done for the topic. Now let us talk about something which is very, very, very important, something that you need to know if you want to take the Microsoft exam, or you want to take the network exam. The network is being divided based on Microsoft. Microsoft has divided it into 5 categories, and these are the 5 categories. The first category is the network architecture. You have the network architecture. The next one, branches. The next one is network operations. Another one is network security. We have the troubleshooting, and the last one is the industry standards, practice, and network theory. So you have it here. Let me take it again. Industry standards, practice, and network theory. Under network theory, we can learn things like things like networking terminologies. That's where you're going to learn terminologies under networking. You will learn things like network backbones. We will learn things like client server. All these terminologies, we will learn them under network theory. That's what we're going to do. We will learn them under network theory. So I think this is what we have for you for today. We've just explained what we are going to do in our next video. In our next video, we're going to start with the first topic. No, actually, we're not going to start with the first topic. We're going to start with the course requirements, and then we will talk about a lot of stuff. So let me go back and show you what we're talking about here: the course objectives and the course requirements. That's what we are going to talk about in our next video. So please stay tuned as we move forward, as we embark on this journey. It's going to be a hell, man, but you are going to love it. That's one thing I can promise you. Are going to love it. It's going to be one journey that you always love, and I'm here always. If you need anything, a question, you can ask a question. You can also comment. You can also commend us if you're doing good things. You can also criticize us. We are okay with it. And please, if you are not doing anything good, just let us know and we are going to fix that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed, and please, when you say a prayer, please say one for me and say one for my team. We love you all. Peace. Shalom. Bye for now.